everyone. My name is Katniss Avelin M. Miranda. I'm 9 years old and I'm from Lipa City, Batangas. I like singing because I want to be on stage like my idol. My idol is Leve. I like her because since 2021, I saw her on my FYP and I started to like her already. Aside from a singer, I also want to be a singing coach.
What are you singing?
Let you break my heart again.
Well, you look very ready. That's good. That's very good. Good luck. You can do it, okay?
I think it's a good choice, Ben.
Hello! What's up? Napakaganda ng song choice mo at napakaganda ng boses mo. Sobrang love namin yung tone, yung first line mo pa lang, alam namin may kakaiba sa boses mo. Alam mo ba yon? Grabe.
Parang naiiyak ka, Iha. Naiiyak ka ba?
Hindi po, pero tumutulo na yung luha. Hindi po.
So congratulations, Iha. Pasok na pasok ka dito sa The Voice Kids, okay? Congratulations. Welcome.
Congrats!
Katniss, meron kaming kakantahin para sa'yo.
Uy! Sarap naman.
You did great. Sobrang happy kami dito kanina para sa'yo. Kaya maraming pang mangyayari sa'yo. Simula ngayon. Kaya good luck sa iyong journey, okay?